How to fix TikTok login issues. Hi everyone, welcome back to TechTube. If you're having issues logging into your TikTok account, and even if you type in your email address and password correctly, you cannot seem to log into your account. Now this is mainly caused because there is some kind of glitch or bug in the system. But before that, make sure your internet connection is stable, whether you're using Wi-Fi or cellular data. If your connection is not stable, you won't be able to log in. So make sure you check that it is stable. Once you check it, you need to open up the Play Store or the App Store, search for TikTok. By updating the app of TikTok, we'll try to fix some kind of bugs which may be causing that issue. So if there is an update, you can tap on update and update it. Once the update is complete, you can try to check if it fixes the problem. If it still does not, you can now try to uninstall the app of TikTok from your phone. Once you successfully uninstall it, you can again download it and install it onto your devices. Now sometimes uninstalling and reinstalling applications also helps in solving these kind of glitches. Now the other thing you can also try out is logging into TikTok using your desktops or your laptops. So open up tiktok.com and try to see if you can log in. Or you can also open up a web browser on your phone and then search for tiktok.com and see if you can log into your account. If you still cannot log in using a web browser either, that means that TikTok is having an issue right now. So make sure you wait out a couple of hours before you try it again, and definitely you should be able to log in after you try in a few hours. So I hope I could help you out. If this video was helpful, make sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much it for today. I'll be back with more.